Welcome to a Sim Code. Do you want more coding tips and tricks? Hit like, subscribe, and join the coding community. This Python script automates the process of emptying the recycle bin on a Windows computer using the Windows API. It imports the types module to call the shEmptyRecycleBinW function from the Shell32 DLL library, which empties the recycle bin without any confirmation prompt. Import types to interact with Windows system-level APIs. This function empties the recycle bin using Windows API calls via types. It uses the shEmptyRecycleBin function from the Windows Shell32 library. Print a message. shEmptyRecycleBin is the Windows function that empties the recycle bin. We use types to call this function via the Windows Shell32 DLL library. Notify the user when the bin is emptied. If something goes wrong, catch and print the error message. Run the function. Now run our code. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.